What's going on, guys? We're back with another one. Tonight, we're actually at a gym I used to be part owner of. It's called Trinity Strength. It's in Moore, Oklahoma. Just a more hardcore bodybuilding gym. It's a place that I love to come when I got to do some actual heavy lifting. But we're going to do back tonight, and I'm just going to keep it short. We're just going to get right to it. So the music was real loud. That guy left, I switched. Anyways, I just want to explain to you guys what I did. I did single arm lat pull downs, left, right, 7 sets of 12 if you guys want to try it. I'd never had my lats so sore when I did that. Now we're going to move into some lat pull downs. I'm just going to keep it going. I'll talk throughout, but I just want to get this first part started. Here, and sometimes when you get really strong, not that I'm like really strong, but when you have to do a lot of working sets, like I'm gonna try 5 plates. So I did 8 reps with 1 plate, 8 reps with 2 plates, 8 reps with 3 plates. Now 4 plates, I'm not gonna like waste energy because I know I can do it. I did it last week. I want to go to 5 plates. So a little trick I do, and I think other bodybuilders do it, I don't know, is I'm not gonna do 8 reps, I'm gonna do 4 reps to get a feel of what 4 plates looks like, and then I'm gonna go to 5 plates and see if I can get 8 to 10. And the reason you do that is so you don't burn out and you can keep going up, because I've already hit this, but I don't wanna go from 3 plates to 5 plates. It's a big jump. So I'm just gonna touch 4 with 4 reps, and then I'm gonna get hopefully 8 to 10 with 5. And that's kind of how I progress week over week, especially with something like a deadlift, right? A lot of times I'll do deadlifts for 585 for 10 or 8 to 10 reps. I'm not gonna do 135, 225, 3. I'm not gonna do 8 reps of all that. So I'll pick a few in between where I just do maybe 3, 4 reps to save my energy for the real set. Hopefully that makes sense. It helps you guys. Cause I mean, getting stronger is not really the goal, but you know, if I can row 5 plates instead of 4, hopefully I'm gonna get bigger. So now we're doing some barbell rows off the floor. This is what I prefer them as opposed to just like regular barbell rows. I like going off the floor. Old school guys did it. I feel like if it's not fixed, if it's not broken, don't fix it. So I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel. I'm just gonna work up to whatever I can get, probably over 3 or 4 sets. And then we're gonna work into some rack pulls. So now we're doing some rack pulls. I alternate rack pulls and deadlifts. A couple things like, I don't know if any of you guys have experienced. So like, I took kind of a 10-month break. I was only lifting like 30 minutes at a time. And when I came back, just kind of a slow process getting back into everything, because 10 months is a long time. And I was 263 when I started, and now I'm 292, which is the heaviest I've ever been, but I'm not sure how many of you have experienced it. The weight is irrelevant. I always tell people, like, how heavy you are is irrelevant, but the amount of size you put on feels the same. Like, if you're 200 and now you're 230, you feel like shit. But basically, I can feel myself getting super tight because I put on so much muscle in a short time. And it's not like it's all new muscle. A lot of it is memory, because I was 290, took a 10-month break, 263. Now I'm back to 292. But with being tight, I've been trying to work with like a chiropractor or a massage therapist or just anyone. If you guys have any recommendations, please let me know, because I'm trying everything, because I want to stay loose, because last time I was real tight like this, that's when I tore my quad. And so because of that, bigger movements like a deadlift or a rack pull, I'm a lot more conscious of, like I'm not going to kill myself. And that's what has been going on with like my deadlifts and my rack pulls recently, is if it doesn't feel like 100% great, I just kind of take it easy, go a little more reps or something, because the last thing I want to do is tear something else. So if I don't go super heavy, that's why. But I am doing rack pulls, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of arms, FST 7 style. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with Hanny Rambod. I'm sure you guys are. But that's been helping my arms grow. I'll show you guys my new arm day as well, because we completely changed that, and I've actually seen some response. But basically all I'm doing for the curls, I'll just explain now, is I'm gonna do 7 sets of 12 with a 15-second rest. Just get a ton of blood flow going. And that's the only bicep exercise I'm doing tonight. It's literally just to pump it full of blood, and then that's it. That's gonna be it. So just a quick explanation of why, if you don't see me going balls to the wall and rack pulls, it's just because everything is so tight and feels so like, I feel so banged up. I'm just trying to kind of let my body catch up almost, because to be honest, I've been gaining 2 pounds a week, and when you do that, your body can't catch up. So once it stabilizes, I'll be able to chill for a bit at that weight, and then get used to like breathing and walking and normal activities that right now just suck. Everything sucks. So just part of the process. That's gonna wrap it up, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the change of scenery. I'm gonna recap the workout for anyone that actually wants to try it, because I notice a lot of people don't actually ever say, and we're not gonna show you every single set. The video would be an hour and a half long. So single arm lat pull downs, 7 sets of 12. Then I did some lat pull downs, 4 sets of 10, going up in weight. We do some rows, you saw those. 4 sets of 8 on that. 4 sets of 8 barbell rows off the floor. And then we did some rack pulls. Same thing, 4 or 5 sets of 8. Finished it off with 7 sets of 12 reps bicep curls. If you guys want to, try it out. Let me know what you thought. If you have an improvement to it, I'm always open to that too. That'd be cool. Let me know. Other than that, man, we're just gonna keep making videos. If there's anything you guys would like to see, like me to talk about, you'd like to know about, day in the life stuff, what it feels like to be a fat piece of shit, any of that, just let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, all that good shit.